Hello everyone. It is in September now, and this also means that autumn has arrived. In the coastal areas in China, the weather in September is often like today's rainy and overcast weather. There can even be some impact from typhoons. Under this kind of weather conditions, which type of photovoltaic module will have higher real-time power output? Today we have come to the only professional coastal tideland field test base in China. We're located in Sanmen. Let's go and take a look. Today we are glad to have the head of this base in Zhejiang, Manager Wang, with us. Manager Wang, please say hello to the viewers in front of the screen.
Hello everyone, I am Wang, the head of the Sanmen Field Test Base.
Okay, Mr. Wang, could you briefly introduce to our audience the basic environmental conditions of the installation in Sanmen?
Sure. Our Sanmen is located in the southeastern coastal area in China. The typical climate characteristic of this coastal area is abundant rainfall, evenly distributed throughout the 4 seasons. Nearly 80% of the year has such cloudy or rainy weather.
Look, the path we are currently walking is a dedicated maintenance walkway. But it's quite special compared to other power stations.
Because here there are the timing of high tide and low tide. When it is high tide, it will be about 3 meters away from our modules. And then one day there are 2 high tides and low tides.
So the scenery at our site is actually very spectacular. This is also my first time seeing such an onshore tideland field test project.
Here, we have installed 2 types of modules, both with an inclination of 20 degrees. These are 10 top-cock modules. And these are 10 BC modules. Our monitoring data are all uploaded to the cloud by a professional collection system. And then we can view our data in the system.
So as you can see, this is a 100 megawatts power plant, and there is a small area set up for field test. We have set up 2 strings of modules for comparison, 10 TOPCon modules and 10 BC modules. The weather is still very good right now. Let's take a look at the power output comparison between the 2 types of modules under the current irradiance. So could you please show us the real-time power output of these 2 types of modules?
Sure.
So as you can see that the current irradiance is 949 watts per square meter. In this PV power station used for this field test, the monitoring equipment P9 corresponds to 10 installed TOPCon modules with a current power output of 5.46 kilowatts. The monitoring equipment P10 corresponds to 10 BC modules with a current power output of 5.35 kilowatts. The real-time power gain per watt of TOPCon modules under high irradiation conditions has reached over 2% compared with BC modules. Let us wait here for a moment. Later we will take a look at the power output comparison of the 2 modules under low irradiance conditions, such as under cloudy or overcast conditions.
It is now 1 p.m. The real-time ambient temperature is 26 degrees centigrade. The current front irradiance is 356 watts per square meter. The current power output of top-cock modules is 2.17 kilowatts. The power output of BC modules is 2.07 kilowatts.
Then we can conclude that the real-time power gain per watt of the TOPCon module has reached 5.33%. This also means that under all irradiation conditions, the performance of the TOPCon module is better than that of the BC module in this project.
Yes, on the other hand, we can see that the irradiation conditions in the morning and evening are generally similar to our current situation. If we take Zhejiang province as an example, the electricity tariff in the morning and evening is 2 to 3 times higher than at noon.
So the logic of revenue for PV power stations has undergone a significant change in China. It is not just about pursuing high electricity generation. We need to generate more electricity during periods when electricity tariffs are high, and that means we can achieve high-value electricity generation, which allows us to help our owners obtain higher revenue under the current pricing mechanism. Okay, once again, we thank Station Manager Wang for today's demonstration. Thank you.